We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L8600 printer. And we're going to show you how to replace your toner cartridge. So if you're getting a replace toner or low toner warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a pretty simple process. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look at the display screen and figure out which color toner needs to be replaced. So it should either be in the warning that you're getting, or if you want to check and kind of see where all your toners are, just real quick, on the top right hand corner you're going to see a little button that has 4 little status bars in it. It's the second button there. So go ahead and click on that button, and then you're going to click on the option that says toner life, and that's going to give you the status bars for all 4 of your toner cartridges that are inside the printer, so that way you know for sure before you even open the printer which cartridges need to be replaced. Now that you know which colors need to be replaced, we can lower this front cover. So you're going to push down on this big button here, and you're going to pull straight down until the front cover is in its locked open position. The next thing we need to do is we need to pull out the drum tray here, which is, you're going to grab this number 1 handle, pull straight out, and then you're going to find all 4 of your toner cartridges. So you're going to want to go through, you're going to want to find whichever color needs to be replaced. In this case it's our magenta. So you're going to take the magenta, you're going to push forward, you'll feel it kind of click. Once you feel it click, you lift straight out and very carefully just set that on a clean, dry, flat surface so that you don't spill any toner anywhere, anything like that. So next thing you want to do is you want to replace your toner. So once you have your new toner unpacked, ready to go, look it over, make sure you don't have any packaging material on it. And then what you're going to do is, again, holding it by the handle, lower it straight down into that toner drawer, and you're going to pull back on that handle until you feel it click and down into position. And then what you're going to want to do is repeat that for any and all cartridges that need to be replaced. And you can close this drum tray here until you feel it click into place. Then you're going to raise this front cover until it clicks into place. Now you're going to give the printer a second to initialize and prepare those toner cartridges for use. Once the printer comes back to its normal ready state, then it'll be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.